Hi, my name is LaKenya. I'm with Mitchell Family Insurance Agency. We specialize in final expense, mortgage protection, and retirement planning. One of the greatest things that all of our clients love about us is that we have partnered with most all of the insurance carriers. And what that means for you is that you don't have to do any more shopping and comparing prices. We do that all for you, saving you time and frustration, navigating those different insurance carriers. Another thing that all of our clients love about us is that we always recommend the best coverage to protect your family in its time of need. And we also provide all of our clients with a review every couple of years. That way you can know for sure that you are always in the best plan and product that fits your needs, your ever changing needs for you and your family. So please give us a phone call at 501 259 7297, or you can visit us on our website at mitchellfamilyagency.com. Hope to hear from you soon. Thank you. You guys have a great day.